Hello students, welcome to the channel Science Made Easy with Jyoti. This channel will help you to understand different concepts of class 10 science in an easy manner and also help you to learn to answer different types of questions. I will be dealing with concept based and competency based questions in each session. To benefit more, subscribe to my channel. So now let's move to today's question. In a single-celled organisms like amoeba, paramecium, there is no need of specific organs for taking food, exchange of gases or removal of waste. Why is it so? Now, let us understand this. See, amoeba and paramecium are single-celled organisms. You can see that their body is made up of only single cell. This is an amoeba and the body surface is in contact with the external environment. This is the body surface, that it's a cell membrane, and it is in direct contact with the surrounding. Same is the case with paramecium. The paramecium is also a slipper-shaped organism. It is a single-celled organism and you can see it has got these hair-like structure called cilia around it. And the body surface, that is the cell membrane of even paramecium, is in contact with the surrounding. So what happens is, all the processes, important processes like exchange of gases, nutrition, that is taking in of food, removal of waste, all these are done by the process of diffusion or osmosis. Okay, so they are done by the diffusion of osmosis, and that is how these organisms do not need any special organs for doing these processes.